Do you wear black flip-flops?
Yeah, sometimes.
That's what's causing the stain is down inside the cracks of your feet.
Oh, you're kidding me.
Mm-mm.
Oh, that doesn't feel anything like when I go to the salon and this gal just really goes at it. It feels much better, thank you.
Good, you're welcome.
You live in Saline here?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, I live pretty close.
Too bad you can't teach this course at U of M, or, you know, you really should.
Yeah, I have some cosmetology schools using it.
Do you?
Yeah.
Okay. I was thinking more for their podiatry department, to tell you the truth. They could use a lot of help.
Well, podiatrists,
Now, is that an oil? Should I be putting an oil on my feet?
I'm just trying to lift some of this stain out of the cracks in your skin.
Okay.
That's why I'm using the oil, and then I'm gonna have you put your foot back in the water to soak again.
Because
You
the
can go
older
ahead.
I get, the drier it gets.
Do you have a foot file that you can keep in your shower at home?
I have a pumice stone. Is that good?
No, not really.
Not really. Okay.
No, they don't work very good.
All right. So if I need to get one of those, do you have
Yeah,
some?
we have one that's really water resistant and will last a long time. If you
Okay.
keep it in the shower, it's made out of mylar.
Alrighty. I'll just buy it from here.
You can just rest your leg. There you go.
I don't relax too easy. I'm sorry.
You just have to get this dirt out of the cracks.
Yeah.
So you're.
That's how deep it was in, eh?
Yeah.
Wow.
Okay, you can put that foot back in the water.
Alright.